What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Supreme Tech. Today I'm going to break down how to use the Task Manager on Windows 10 laptop or computer because I get a lot of questions on how to use it. So I'm going to break it down a little bit in this video. Comment down below, let me know if you guys have any other suggestions for videos or if you guys need help with something. Just put them in the comments down below. And if I get enough responses on something, I'll make a video about it. But before we get into it, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, smash that like button, turn on them post notifications. Also, check out my Amazon storefront link I have in the description below. You can get any type of electronic on there, and I got some amazing prices. With all that said, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so I got Task Manager opened up. If you don't know how to get to it, first thing we're going to do is just either hold Control Alt, click Delete, and then you're just going to click on Task Manager. Okay. You can also click on the Start menu here and come all the way down to where it says Windows. And you go to Windows System, click the drop down, come down to Task Manager. If you want, you can click and drag it and drop it onto your desktop, and you got a shortcut. I already have one right here, but I always like to keep it right here, easy to get to. If all that doesn't work, then just type Task Manager in the search bar and it'll take you right there. But what we're going to do is, first thing we're going to do is click More Details. You just want to expand it, and you can see a lot more stuff, a lot more information when you click that. At the top, you got processes, performance, app history, startup, users, details, and services. There's only a couple ones that we're going to mess with today, which is process, performance, and startup. Okay. You don't really need to do anything in the other ones, but this is just like a basic breakdown. Now, under processes, you got apps, then background processes. Okay, if something's not working or it's just slowing you up, or you see right here where it says CPU, memory, and disk, if it's red and it's got high numbers, you might want to think about right clicking on it and clicking End Task. Everything that you have that's under apps is something that's opened up on your system. Okay, so right now I got Google Chrome, OBS Studio, which is what I'm recording this video on. And then of course we got Task Manager. Now if any of these weren't working for some reason, like I said, you could just right click, click End Task, and then try to reopen it and see how that goes. You can also come down to background processes and look through here, anything that you know you don't need running, or if you see something, again, if it's in the red and has really high numbers, just go ahead and close it down. If you have no idea what it is, like, let's see here, like this COM circuit, I don't know what that is. All these other, different things you got opened up. Don't worry about them. Don't turn something off that you don't know what it is. But say we got this here. I know that this is Adobe Creative Cloud. Say this is what's slowing me up. I could end that task. And then always open up Adobe Creative Cloud again and see if that fixed the problem. Alright, so after that we're going to move to performance. And I really like this because this tells you how your system is running. Okay, you see your CPU, which is your processor. You got memory, which is your RAM. Disk, which is your hard drive or your SSD or whatever storage you got. After that's Wi-Fi and GPU 1, GPU 2. So this is the Intel GPU that's built in, and then we also got an NVIDIA GPU that's built in also. So you can see if your memory is, way up here, like because I got 16 gigs, if it's up at like 15, then it's really running pretty hard on your RAM. Same with your disk or CPU. If it's all the way up here at 100%, 99%, anything over 80 or 90% really, then that's really being a bottleneck to you. So it's slowing you up, definitely. And you could go ahead, shut certain things down if you need to and see if that helps. Also over here you got utilization, speed, shows you how many processes and how many threads and handles you got. Got your uptime. It just gives you some more information about how your system's running. Another thing you can do is click on Open Resource Monitor. You're going to have to type in your password if you're not running on an administrator account. Once you do, it just gives you some more stuff that you can look at, more information. And it's just a little more in-depth, okay? Let's just close that down. After that, let's move on to Startup. Now, everything you see here that says Enabled, that means when you start up your computer that this stuff is going to start running. Startup impact is the degree of impact from CPU and disk activity measured when you start up, okay? If it says high, that means it really has an impact. Low means it just doesn't really impact it at all. But you can just go through here, and everything that's disabled is obviously going to have no impact. So this is just a good tab if you want to change things that run on startup. So that about does it for what I wanted to show you today. We broke down processes, performance, and startup. They got other stuff in here like users, details, and services. I don't want to go too much into that. But basically, this video will help you be able to stop processes that are slowing your computer up, end tasks. Show you exactly how your computer is doing on your GPU, your memory, disk, and CPU, and also be able to change what programs run on startup. Comment down below, let me know if you guys got any questions, if you're having trouble with this. Remember, to get to this, you can hold down Control Alt and then click Delete, or you can go to the search bar down here, type in Task Manager. Or again, click on the Start menu, come all the way down to Windows System, click the drop down, and go to Task Manager. Hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, everybody. Again, feel free to subscribe if these videos help you out. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll catch you in the next one.